Good morning, dear hearts. Just so you know, this is take 5. Uh, anyway, we're at lesson 359. And this is definitely a continuation of yesterday's lesson that said that no call to God goes unheard or unanswered. Today is about the answer, so it is indeed a joyful lesson. It starts by telling us that God's answer is some form of peace, and we mentioned that yesterday. And all pain is healed, all misery replaced with joy, all prison doors are opened, and all sin is understood as merely a mistake. So this is a joyful lesson, and it is really a culmination of so much of what we have learned and studied all year long, that these sins that we think we have committed are merely mistakes. And as we recognize that, and we recognize that through the practice of forgiveness, okay? And when we do this with the full implementation of forgiveness in our life, everything will shift, and we will have this realization that we have never sinned. Yes, we have made mistakes, but we have made mistakes. Notice the emphasis on made, because we believe we are in a space where mistakes and sins can happen. The mistakes that we've made are merely the moments that we have not recognized our brother as ourself. We have not seen how beautiful and wonderful and loving each and every being around us is. So we have made that mistake, but it is very far from being a sin. When we're in the heavenly state, when we are home in heaven, we don't even make that mistake, because we are filled with the awareness of the oneness with everyone and everything. But while we still believe we are apart from heaven, we have to recognize, yes, mistakes have been made, but forgiveness, full forgiveness, has the power to release every wayward thought that has ever caused pain to occur in this world. That's why all pain is healed and all misery has been now replaced with joy, from simply remembering we are one. The lesson at the end says, help us forgive, for we would be redeemed, and help us forgive, for we would be at peace. The condition of peace is the condition of heaven, and we can only be there when we realize the oneness, and we realize that we have never left, that we are one, and we can rejoice in that awareness. There's a quote from Gandhi that says, forgiveness is an attribute of the strong. And we are very strong because we are the children of God. So we can forgive. We have the ability to forgive. And when we realize the grace that is given us when we forgive, there is nothing else that we're truly going to want to do. We will understand that we've made a mistake, but we will also understand that God's peace and joy and love are ours to have and to share all the time. So this is indeed a lesson to rejoice. And it says that, and we rejoice to learn that we have made mistakes which have no real effects on us. So that's it for today. I hope this helped. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Please be here tomorrow for the perfect lesson for Christmas time. And you are loved, and know that. Namaste.